for this is lemon, and in my hand is a fresh lemon. And what I'll be using here is the lemon peel. Lemon peel can help alleviate joint pain and inflammation, and it is very effective when used on the body, when used topically or as an infusion. Lemon is outstanding for its high vitamin C content and also for its antioxidant component, minerals and essential oils. It is now proven that it has the power to strengthen the immune system and contribute to the treatment of illnesses such as flu, colds, and bacterial infections. Studies have shown that the peel of a lemon contains 10 times more vitamin C than the lemon juice itself. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can be useful in the treatment of joint pain. Lemon peel contains organic acids such as citric acid, malic acid, and formic acid. Its volatile acids work as an anti-inflammatory and relaxant that contribute to lessening pains in the joint. It has high vitamin A and vitamin C content, which tends to control arthritis and reduces the risk of premature deterioration of the joint. So for this treatment, I'm going to be peeling off the lemon. So I'm going to get a bowl like this and peel the lemon into it. That is because for this treatment, I'll be needing just the lemon peels, like I said earlier. So you can also make use of any lemon that you have. It is advisable to use lemon and not lime because lemon is more effective. So you should use lemon for this treatment. And if you don't have lemon, you still want to use lime, or you don't have lemon close to you, then you should double the portion of the lime that you use. That is because lemon contains way more vitamin C than the lime. So after peeling one lemon, this is what I have here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to get a jar with a cover like this, because you need a jar that is airtight. So get a jar that has a cover. I'm going to transfer the lemon peel into the jar. And the next thing I'll be needing is olive oil. I'm making use of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is the oil that we are going to use to infuse these lemon peels. And I'm going to pour it into this jar until the lemon peel is covered, just like this. So after covering the lemon peels with olive oil, this is what you will have. The next thing you are going to do is to go ahead and cover this up very well. And then you are going to store it in a dark place. So store it in a dark place like this, because you don't want to keep it in the sun or in an open place. So store it in a dark place. And then you are going to leave it here for it to stay for 2 weeks. After 15 days, you bring it out like this. By then, this lemon peel must have been fermented. So you bring it out, and then I'm going to show you how to apply this on your joint to get rid of the joint pain. So come with me. So to apply this treatment that you just finished preparing, you are going to apply it any way that you have the pains. Like me, I do have joint pains here on this ankle. So I'm going to get this soft cotton wool like this, just a cotton wool pad like this, and then I will go into my jar and dip this in like this. So you can see the color is already changed. So you dip it in and then apply it on the area. Just like this. This is the place that I have joint pains. That's why I'm applying it here. If you have it on your knee, go ahead and massage it on your knee. If you have it on your elbow, anywhere you have it, if it's on your knee like this, then you have to massage it on your knee. Okay, just like this, like I'm showing you now. So I will go ahead and massage this into my skin, just like this. So make sure to go around it, not just applying it on one direction, go around it. And yeah, I'm applying it here too because I do experience pains from time to time, once in a while, on this bone here. So that's why I'm applying it here as well and massaging it. So this thing, you can easily do it yourself, but if you can't do it, get someone to do it for you. And then after massaging this all over, if you like, you can place this thing like this. You can place the cotton pads like this on the area where you experience the most pains. And then I am going to go in with my compression socks. These are ankle compression socks, and I'm just going to put it on. So I want this to be here. And this is it. So when you are buying the compression socks, it comes inside this. So if your leg is smaller, then you will want to get the small size. This is a medium size. It is a bit loose on me, so I'll be buying the smaller size, which is going to make it a bit tighter. If you have bigger leg, yes, then you should make use of the large, or you use the medium. I'm going to use small because my legs are smaller. So go ahead and repeat this treatment for 3 to 4 times in a week. I'll advise you to do it 4 times in a week. Massage the area whenever you are applying it like this. Leave this to stay on your leg for as long as you can leave it. You can leave it to stay on your leg for 12 hours. If you are not going anywhere, then leave this on. And you can also wear this with your shoe. If you are putting on a shoe, leave it to stay there for about 12 hours. The compression socks is going to keep your joint in place. So this is going to help you get rid of that pain that you usually feel on your joint. And here I'm just showing you how to massage your knee if you have knee pains. This is how to go about it.